Hello and welcome back to another cocktail recipe video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Reswold and I post videos on cocktail recipes, bar reviews, distillery tour and alcohol reviews. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do 3 easy cocktails that you can do at home. If you're hosting a party, it's going to be perfect. So today's first cocktail is gonna be White Lady. This cocktail is based with gin, triple sec, lime juice, simple syrup and the egg. Whoa, egg is something that have second thoughts in your mind. So don't worry guys, I'm gonna show you how this cocktail is made and I'll tell you a little more about it. So let's get started. So take your shaker and now you need to add an egg white to cocktail. So break this. Gotta do it slowly. Just remember guys, all you need is an egg white. There you go. After a little struggle, the entire egg white is here. So you gotta add 10 ml of your simple syrup. I'm sure you guys have second doubts about it. There you go. 10 ml of your simple syrup, and you gotta add about 15 ml of your lime juice, but I'll be squeezing 1 lime into it. There you go. Add about 15 ml of your triple sec here. There you go. And 45 ml of your gin. Well, you can use any preferred spirits when it comes to alcohol. I'll be using a Bourbon when it comes to my gin. So about 45 ml of your gin. There you go. Now give it a nice vigorous shake. I mean, you gotta dry shake this so it mixes well with the alcohol. There you go. Add some ice. After a nice dry shake, add some ice and give it a shake again. There you go. Take your martini glass or any cocktail glass that you have at home and just pour it in the glass. So take your strainer and just give it a nice double strain to it. So to complete your drink, all you need is a garnish. So again, take your lime and take your lime bill. And just garnish it with your lime bill. There you go guys. Cheers. That's a White Lady. Enjoy. So moving on to the next cocktail, that's a White Russian. White Russian is based with vodka, Kahlua and cream. So if you haven't seen the Black Russian that I have done, I'll leave the link in the description below, or you could check it somewhere up here. It's one of the easiest cocktails. Take your rum glass, add some ice. Add about 40 ml of your vodka. There you go. 20 ml of your Kahlua or coffee liqueur, whichever one you have. And take your shaker again and add some fresh cream, little ice, and give it a nice shake so it becomes nice and frothy, and you gotta float this. After a nice shake, you gotta pour it very nice and slowly over the ice. There you go, guys. Cheers. That's a White Russian. Enjoy. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's a mint julep. This cocktail is based with gin, mint, bourbon and crushed ice. And don't forget the sugar. Mint julep is an iconic bourbon cocktail that you definitely don't want to miss. Drinks that are sometimes so popular seem so difficult, but the recipes are incredibly easy with few ingredients. Besides the mint bourbon sugar, the only other requirement is a crushed ice. Using a regular ice would change the entire cocktail. So you gotta take your time and get some ice crushed to get this cocktail before you do any mixtures. So let's get started. So take your glass. You can use any glass at home that you have. Add about 5 to 6 mint leaves. Okay, the entire thing is coming. And add about 2 to 3 sugar cubes. So take your sugar, or you could use sugar syrup or normal sugar as well. There you go. Take your muddler and just give it a muddle to it. The mint julep is the traditional drink of the Kentucky Derby, which has helped propel the cocktail's popularity. Tens of thousands of mint juleps are served at the Churchill Downs in Louisville, and countless are more enjoyed by the fans watching the race throughout the country. With a balance of sweet and smoky and herbal flavor, the mint julep is deliciously enjoyed all year long. So after giving a nice muddle, extracting the oil and the flavor out of it, you got to add about 60 ml of your bourbon. There you go. And for this you need crushed ice, so take your time, get some ice crushed. You gotta crush it well, guys, and directly pour it in your glass. There you go. Take your bar spoon and get a nice. This is an interesting cocktail. So to complete your drink, take a nice mint sprig and put it in the glass. There you go. I'll take another one. I think I'll take this one. So guys, there you go. That's your mint julep. Enjoy. Cheers. Drop me a comment below if you want to see any other different variation based on mint juleps, and I'll make sure I'll get back to you. There you go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, drop me a comment below, let me know what you want to see in the next video, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.